Welcome to my channel. You can do awful lot with Photoshop these days, and let's start with an AI image and convert it to something new. First, I want to make image a wide aspect ratio using General Expand. Select General Expand and hold Alt and drag frame to around 1920 pixels wide. Select the best option available for the image. Next, select Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and click on Auto. AI analyze photo and automatically enhance image. Looks better already. Next, I'm going to remove anything I don't want to see in the image. Select Brush tool. Paint around an area I want to remove. Click on Remove. Next, I select Remove tool. Paint around another part of the area to remove. I can upscale image, select image, generative image. Here you can choose Firefly Upscaler or Topaz Gigapixel Upscaler. In this occasion, I choose Topaz Gigapixel. Click on Upscale. I don't see too much difference. I prefer to use Upscale free to use. Drag an image over to Upscale, set up options, and click on Upscale. I have another AI image and going to remove background. I keep woman and cat. Move tool selected, move woman and cat over to the base image. Resize image and place it to a suitable area. Next great feature in Photoshop, click on Harmonize. It saves lots of time to blend two images together. Choose one of the variations you like. Looking at the variations, all look a bit different. Once again, I will use Camera Raw Filter to enhance image. Next, I want to generate a video using AI image. Open Firefly. Select Video. Drag over image, use it as the first frame. Click on Generate. Next, add a short prompt. Increase resolution to 1080 pixels. Click on Generate. The cat is okay, but the face of the woman is not good. Let's try Google's Veo 3.1. Click on Generate. This AI video looks much better. Not sure who invited that alien walking behind her, must be a bodyguard. Tried other partner models as well. Now, we can explore all Photoshop features, rich in AI technology. See you all next time.